I'm standing here in the second Yellow Mule, Buck Ridge, where yesterday a snowmobiler high-marked the slope behind me, triggered an avalanche on the facets on the ground. He was not caught. He was able to ride out, but two partners of his that were in the run-out zone were partially buried and uninjured. When it went at the ground, the facets broke. It pulled out this super dense wind slab, which is about 10 feet tall. Luckily, no one was underneath this section of the crown when it broke, because it would have killed you. The setup we have here of weak layers in the snowpack. We just got hit with over an inch and a half of water, a foot and a half of new snow. We had a high instability going for a few days. It was very touchy. As the week goes on, it's going to get harder to trigger these, especially if we're not seeing a lot of snow, but that doesn't mean it can't be done. So you want to be really careful as you're getting out onto steeper slopes. If you're going to high mark, you want to be going one at a time, which they were doing, but you also want to make sure your partners are not in the run-out zone. At times, if you are in the run-out zone, if there is no other place to be, you want to have your machine facing downhill with the engine on so you can get out of there quickly. Because if you're caught in a slide, you want to make sure your partners are not, so they can come and rescue you.